how to import video on VN Video Editor desktop. All right, guys, so your first step would be to open up your BlueStacks as the emulator and then just double click on your VN launcher. It's going to launch the VN application. But if you were to go ahead and do this manually, all you need to do here is from the home menu on your screen, just go ahead and double click on the VN Video Editor. It's going to open up. And now all you need to do from here is access your tray, that's your device tray. Click on show hidden icons, right click on the VN launcher, and then where we have open settings, go ahead and click on this option. Now it's going to open up your storage directory where your videos are being saved and where you can import from your Windows and export to Windows. So just go ahead and click on the file folder. It's going to open up the location, and then all you need to do is just simply open up a new tab on your desktop, and then from there just simply locate one of the videos you'd like to save. So let's say I want to pick this. Just use the Control key and C, copy it, head into imports, and then Control V, paste it in, and then once you're done, just click on save, minimize here, and then head into your projects on VN editor, click on imported, and you're going to find the file there. Or you can click on the plus to add a new file. It's all going to be showcased here. Just simply select the file, click on next, and then you can start making use of it on your home screen. All right, guys, that's how it's done.